Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bitcoin update. Okay, so one question is 33,000 that I previously talked about still in the card or not? And I may say that I kind of feel like it is in the card. Okay, I am in a few trades, took one or two trades, had a very good risk management, and the loss that I'm about to take is not very big. But the thing is, I still think the market still has something that could surprise everyone. Number one, everyone doesn't want to believe this market is going to fall. I think 90% or 80% of the people now are greedy, and I'm the one probably in the minority who is kind of being careful right now. Now, I'm not going to stretch this too much. Let's talk about something that I saw back 2 years ago, or probably 3 years ago, that tells me why I'm uncomfortable with this move, because I've seen Bitcoin doing these things. I've been here in 6 years and I've seen things like this. Okay, I've seen things like this, and that's the reason why I'm telling you. Now, if you may allow me to tell you why, here's the thing, all right? Bitcoin back here during, what do you call this? Yeah, back in 2021 all the way to November 2021. If I show you the weekly time frame, during that time you have Bitcoin that looked something like this. I don't know where did my screen go? Oh gosh. Right, here it is, thank goodness. So the weekly time frame, back was a very big debate that, hey, are we going to be crossing this technical target here? And all you did is you did something like this, right? Number one is that there was a lot of debate that this had some few stop losses. You had the stop losses here, which was taken. You had another stop loss here, which was taken, and then you take this wick here to take that stop loss right over there. And just when you think you have a bullish flag to continue all the way up to $78 or $79,000, all you did is very quickly made the wick to the upside, and then you flash crash to the downside. And I'm very careful about this type of situation. It happens so many times often that yes, you're trying to climb and all you do is you take the stop and then you drop to the downside. So Bitcoin has this behavior of doing something very similar. Now, just because I'm saying this doesn't really mean it's going to happen again, but probably things like this happen many times. So all I'm saying is, and don't shoot the messenger for telling you that the message is that's the resistance here, that's the resistance again, this is another resistance with a probability of moving up to 51,000 or 52,000, take out the stop losses, and maybe finally drop down to that 31. I kind of feel that this is probably the move that is there for Bitcoin. The rest, time will tell, and that's all for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.